Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable and use auto framing in the camera app of Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Samsung camera application and now just select this video option. Now just click on this button to select the front camera. So now just click on this button again. Now you will see here one option. Just turn it on. So now you can see auto framing on. So now let us click on this record button and check what this auto framing does. So let me bring one subject. So you can see here one subject. So you can see here it automatically frames once it sees the face. So you can see here. So you can see it's working perfectly. So once you're done with your video recording, just click on the stop recording button. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily enable and use auto framing in the camera app of Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool features, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.